Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you have a Ford with this easy gas cap style and you are stuck somewhere, you want to refuel, the gas can nozzle is not going in, well, we're going to bypass that in this video. But even before I tell you how to bypass this, go ahead, pop up your trunk, and therein you should see where you have your spare wheel. You should see something like this, which might have a jack, and you might see a fuel adapter. In my case, I lost the fuel adapter, but if you have the fuel adapter, take that, pop it into your gas can, and you should be good to go. For those of you who have misplaced that, if you look closely enough, you will see two little tabs on either side, and these two little tabs need to be pushed in at the same time. That is what when you go to the gas station, you put in the hose in here, that's what happens. It pushes it towards the outside, and then this thing over here pops open, and then the nozzle slides in and you can easily put gas into your Ford. But in our case, we are stuck, or you want to add a fuel additive at home, well, all you need is two flathead screwdrivers, and then you're going to push both of those tabs in at the same time. It might take some practice, and then all you need to do is, once you feel that you've pushed in both of those spring loaded things, then go ahead and try to push one screwdriver a little bit inside. Be careful not to drop it inside your gas tank, but that is what I did. Used two flathead screwdrivers, pushed those tabs in, and then I was able to successfully put in my fuel additive which I wanted to, using a funnel.